Hi guys, Patient Sugar here. How are you doing? Mulimutia and Mugambachi. Today I am so humbled and blessed and lucky to have the biggest producer and the biggest artist with me, Daddy Andre. And we shall be talking one-on-one katinitini. So Andre buzako ku bantu.
Abantu bange muli mutya ampayiriza ekigambo kinakuwa one of the B and one of the B nze ndeka oyagala kunkubya gondi laddu oyagala kundeetera tabu
Many opinions zaffe zi differing. That is my opinion as Sugar.
Nchitwala mu linnya lya Yesu.
Amina. So Andre, is it safe to say that you have been kind of silent musically?
No, me, I've never been silent because I'm one of those people that always bring out new music from different dimensions of artists. So we create. So I am very proud because if God gave you that gift and you are giving out through many talents, I can't be silent. So
So you've been giving us music through other artists?
Yeah, but even my music is there. Though sometimes otuuka n'okola n'oyagala ofulume music nga naawe olina gw'oyagala. So nga tagenda kuyamba abantu abali ground until they complain oba oyagala kumanya bana abantu kweri banjagala. So when they start complaining and giving comments, banange we are missing you ne bekalakasa, that's when you come back because you come back and do whatever they want because oyinsobola okusuulira abafaani bo abali awo ate bayinza okuba nga bebanja babawagira kika ekyo kya music ate ffe type ya music yaffe nga ffe abantu abalala ba artist tuba twagala travelling eke walala oyinza okujja nogaa kati kanyimbeko olufalansa ng'ate mu Uganda music ground watandikidde support wegeno tandikira nga temuli abafalansa wanga mulimu bantu batano so that's why they have to always comment when you leave comments that's the use oba ovuma oba ogamba it's nice oba any comment it's what we call the suggestion box to us. So it helps us to continue giving you what you want. But if you don't comment, then we won't know.
All right.
Yeah.
So you have done very many hit songs, but for me, the biggest for me is Dawa. So Gwenga producer, I know this is kind of a tough one. Now, which one have you produced now? Not an Ogamba. Yes, this is it.
I'm open to my gift. When nasalawo nentandiko zidividinga katonda ajja kuba tajja kunnyongera kirabo kyange kuba ebirabo byonna kwemba nzije okugabanya talents eziriawo yonna era abasigala katonda kati I have to continue being given that challenge to produce more and more. So you never know what of tomorrow because me, I'm looking at the future. The past we always forget and we'll always so that it makes you become the brand new to bring the visions that you are meditating of. Then it comes, you manifest, then it comes. So me, I'm of the future. So I don't know what of the future of tomorrow because here in my mind, I'm looking at something that is bigger than what was the past because the past did and it helped those ones that were in that time. So what of the next? So I'm thinking of what I'm going to do next best.
All right.
Yeah.
So Daddy Andrew, when an artist comes to record a song, is there a certain criteria or are there certain requirements Zogamanti before we even go any further? Maybe the vocals, maybe the confidence, be cheap you're considering or anyone who comes, it is open, you just do a song.
Ndiwa lugezigezi. Ndiwambwamu because I respect God's image. So when we are doing creative or when we are being creative and the thing is creativity that we are dealing with, we have to remember the creator who owns it. And when he's with me or within me, I have to respect that, the time that I'm giving in. Who are you that is coming? We don't want to develop nonsense.
Okay.
Yes, in our music industry, you get, because music industry afe tugifuula buli omuntu ajja ayimbe fe abagenda gyona natotandika ogamba ennaku zino bakuba music omubi naye nga mazima fe abakola ki fe abakkiriza nze nganze nina olugezigezi era n'abayimbi bakimanyi if you are coming we have to collaborate in the percentage of I doing that 80%. Yeah, even if you have an idea it will be good, we shall be flexible, but what of the energy that we are dwelling in, does it allow that spiritually? Like, are we good to that? Is the music that, because you'll give me your idea, we shall try it out, but at the end you won't feel it, because the one that is going to drive that energy, so what happens, tujja kuvuga chicho now tukengola chikuboa nanga chimboa, meaning we've not already blessed it. But if we bless this thing from the Father that is going to create, that means we've left the space to God to rule us, because yabatu leadinga ate kuba kitone chetuliringa chiche. So omuntu alina okujjanga amanyi nti azze kuyimba nti talent ye ekuguse, tojjanga jaso oyina kirabo, jangu omanyi nti oyina ekirabo, but talent wise are you ready? Yes, abamu bajja ali gifted, yes, nga yayimbako mu church nga ine dwaboses, but taina talent is different. It has a lot of packages like discipline, it has a lot of like, where have you gone through like the experiences, what do you know about, like, do you have everything, have you ever, so that's it, you have to come when you're ready.
Okay, so would you produce a song for Epas?
Yeah, Epas namukolako oluyimba. Epas is a good artist.
Even after the scenario?
No, I believe you are copyright. Just believe
isn't mixed at all.
Nze ndi musajja, nze ndi Solomon, and I hear and I know he's my friend. I always see him reading books, so we can't mix music with that. What I'm trying to say that byali alowooza byali atama mpozi nga ayagala mugambe byemmanyi ebisinga ku bo bibamanyi, olumu tetwagala kujjawo byama, you get, because we respect that this is the system, this is the structure, how because the thing that they are playing with, tusobola kizanyanga abayimbi ne tubeeranga bafalanga nga sobola okubeeranga falanga bo n'enkizanya bwentyo, but if they want the truth amazima, I can bring it out and reveal them why they have taken a lot of time without giving them that thing, the copyright, the thing they are calling copyright, is not for them alone. No. So tebakibuukira ate tebalimbibwa, let them begin with the structure, and that's okay. So Epas ye yatandika dda ne structure ye muyayo mugezi yabikola dda okitegeera, kati ye bwe yatandika okukola dde bipapula byalowooza byaggo okitegeera, kivala yatuuka naga temuzanya nyimba zange ku radio, temuzanya ku TV okitegeera, because he knows what a copyright is okitegeera. Naye kati ye aina abamu batayagala kubuusa cause already bamukolera dde ebigoma bajja mubanja royalties okitegeera mugezi, of course.
Silverback Lounge awo ku Salama Road kyekifo ekigenda okukuwa emirembe gwateekateeka birthday party. Tulina meeting za kwanjula, jangu otweyune. Tulina restaurant efumba emmere eya wano nebunaayira. Tulina washing bay, emmotoka evaawo etukula n'akafo akalungi ak'okuwummuliramu. Tulina kakaawa akalungi kale gwe wenna ateekateeka omukolo gw'engeri yonna. Weeyune Silverback Lounge ku Salama Road okulira na Makindye Secondary School. Tugoberere ku social media sites zaffe ku TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, ng'era tukola essaawa 24. Tukola deliveries ku Jumia ne Glovo. Tufune ku note 755 322 755 note ng'eri ku WhatsApp oba note 2 note 994 emu. Silverback Lounge, the peak of enjoyment.
I feel guilty about it.
Those rhymes that I used to do, I'm gonna be thinking. So he reminds me of the Andrew when he was beginning. So that means that whatever we are doing, we have to keep on doing. They help. Yeah, they become someone's business, Jebuja. So you that is always there, organize yourself, do something that is good, beautiful, for others, for our fella, the ones that are coming in the future, to tap into that so that it can help them use it for business and for lifetime. You get katisaz no afuna kafuna. Yeah, and that's what we want our industry to be. Yeah, I feel nice. Actually, njagala Byogere because abantu bebatakopye ng'omanya toyina kyoli mu mwoyo. Yeah, and I pray for temperature to be that dominant. I'm always giving him advice. Yeah, I want him as well to dominate in his realm. Yeah, because he's not the Andre, but alimu rhyme. Andreze alimu, so naikiri muyamba, so asigale nga ayongezaako both vocally production, because he does as well writing. You get. So I think that's a nice thing. That is, he has to. Yayongereko abiro wakabi takomao because nanga siwendi kati. Yeah.
Thank you for being a well wisher. The very last one, H Tandem Studio Jechili.
Nekati, okay, I'll explain what the studio means. Studio, twina studio yam hotel, and then twina studio je twakavamo, Actually, this one is also a studio where you can do anything, something which is free, yeah, for anyone to do it.
I mean the musical studio. Where you?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, we have a studio for photography, we have a studio for music. So if you own that studio and you're the director or you are the manager who is involved in organizing whatever you want, as long as you pay that place, you can do whatever you want. I can put a camera there, I can put a chair there, I can put a bed there, I can put whatever I want. And me, I've been living a kind of thug life whereby my own life, yeah, is a ghetto to me, where nti wemba nkutte ekitanda nenchitekawo ngomanya sina space emara, so I can put my own studio there. It's my own life where
mazima dadadi andrenga toina space emara.
Yeah, and let me tell you about music. Music is a vibration.
Yeah.
These are forces and energies that you have to tap in. Osobola ogenda ekintu ewa ekifo music nabula. Yeah, and there is always where you can live comfortability. Okitegeera nga bw'otuula ku kitanda oba nga bw'oteeka ebintu ku kitanda, you can feel the vibration, you can feel okay. By the way, a lot of people have to learn. That's why I'm bagamba. Abantu abamu mulina music temumuteeka nnyo mu kusoma. This is of God. It is of creatives, creator, creativity. Temumuteeka nnyo obukodyo. Yeah, because everyone ogenda wa Dr. Dre. I know bulijawo, I know production skits. Everyone, most of those biggest producers. And I've seen most of them, they have learned